MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Come and get this 2019 Kenworth T680, a 450 horsepower 10-speed Ultra, 76-inch raised roof, double bunk. This is a reputable fleet-maintained truck here. It sits at 491,000 miles, and it's equipped with adaptive cruise technology. You've got 13K fronts, 40K rears, a 224-inch wheelbase, and a 2.64 rear ratio. You've got a 190-gallon fuel tank with this truck and an engine that you'll love, a Cummins X15 with that Fuller 10-speed Ultra transmission. Inside, this truck is super clean. The sleeper has lots of room and storage, and your dash looks good too. It's got everything you need if you want this truck. A 2019 Kenworth T680, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.